Namaskar students. Now in MS Excel there is a second experiment, that is experiment 2, and the aim of the experiment is prepare a chart of following data using MS Excel. We have a data over here, that is data of voltage and current, and we have to make a chart, or we can say the graph, using the MS Excel. The data was already given. If it is not given, so you can make a data according to your choice. So in this case we have again opened MS Excel. So we already have make and salary sheets over there. So we just use that Excel. So in sheet 1 we have already make a salary slip. Now second we performed a second experiment in a sheet 2. So just click here on sheet 2. So the sheet 2 is open. Now we have just put down the data over there, that is serial number, that is voltage, and that is current. Okay, so we have taken voltage in a suppose the unit is V, and the current, that is unit, suppose milliampere. So we have take data like this. Okay, so this is our data. We have just put down from here, that is 1, 1.5 to 2.5. So we can write down 1, 1.5. Now you just take over there, so you will get the data over there. It is up to 5.5. So and we have to calculate up to 5.5. Here we have a 10, 20 regular increment. So that is 10, 20. And if I just drag the button, then we get the current in a milliampere. It is 1, 2, and if we have dragged the buttons over there, then we have to get the serial numbers over there. Now we just put, that is title. So we have make it bold. We can make it bold from here, or Control B we can use. We just put over there. Suppose I just write a data like this, so I can put this, so it will look good over there. Now that is our data. So we just select a voltage and current line, because we have to make a chart of V and I. So we just make a voltage and current. We just select the columns voltage and current over there. We just click on inserts. Here there are number of charts available over here. We use a scatter charts, and that is, if we need a point over there, then we have used this type of chart, and if we not need the point over there, then we have put this chart. Normally we use this type of chart in experiments. So if I click over there, that will give you the charts of voltage and current. Now just make it large by like this. If we do not need a line, then click on this line and just press a delete button, so line automatically get the delete. If we do not need this, then get this, so automatically delete. So this is the title what we have to write over there. Suppose we have taking the characteristics of diode, so just put a diode characteristics. Okay, we can change the graphs titles etc over here, that these are the layout. So just click on the layout, so we will the layout like this. Here again, and just delete this line, and we delete this line. You can write down what is here. So suppose there is a voltage over here, so you can put voltage in a V, and suppose double click in this, so it will automatically display. And suppose that is the current over here, so just write down current in a milliampere. We can increase the font from here. Just select all the things, again go to the homes. Here you can increase the fonts from here. Suppose it is like 18. We can also increase the font over here. just select all the things and homes, and suppose we have put same, so that is the voltage. So that is the graph of voltage and current. This is your second experiment. Just go to the any laptops and computers and perform the experiment as per your requirement. Okay, thank you very much for the listening.